Hello friends, welcome to Meao social network. You will find a lot of features like creating a group, sharing pages, posting something on your timeline, using hashtags, uh, writing blogs, selling your products, chatting through a chat messenger window. It's completely like Facebook, or maybe more than Facebook. You will have some magnificent features which has not been included in the Facebook. You will find your blog section in this site. So, and it provides you with a facility to buy any product through this site. It has a payment gateway integrated with, and it has a wallet system also, so you can load balance to your wallet and buy any item from the marketplace of this site. So it's a great site. Hope you will enjoy. Let's go for page by page view. So I am using my username and log into the system. Then you will have, I will show you something. If you are a new user, then you have to go here, create an account. So let's create account. Myself Assis. Why? It's my name is Assis VVS Assis. Hi. Bye. My email is password will be mail. And sign up. This is done. As I have a login ID, so directly I am going to log in here. So I have been logged into the system, and you can see lots of sections here. Messages, see messages. Somebody chatted with me, have chat with me. This is message chat window, and this is somebody chat. My friend have chatted with me. So that's not. It's home. You can find something. You can search here like I have to visit something else. Sydney. it's not something Petersburg, something else. I found something. Puri about Puri. Lots of posts on Puri. Lots of things about Puri and tourism related items. It's okay. Okay, then let's go to home page. It's your timeline. You can upload photos, check in location, sell something on marketplace, create polls, upload audio clips on your timeline, can create album, feelings and activities, write articles in the blog section. It's important. You can upload video or upload any file for sharing. So, okay. You can find these things. You can post here. Suppose I am uploading a photo. I have to write something. This is okay. I can fill the check-in. Okay, filling activity. Oh. Okay. Okay. Then post. It's your post ready. So this is that. Anybody can like, comment, share your post. Okay. It's translation ready. You can try if you are writing in any language, you can translate it in Odia language or any language. You can translate it into English. Okay. Then you can pin your post to the top of your page, so that this whenever your profile is loading, this post will be fixed in the top of your post. Okay, then create this post. Okay, let's post another thing. You can post write articles. See, suppose write anything else. You can make it bold. Okay. You can insert media clips. Embedded. You can embed your YouTube video over here. Direct go to YouTube. YouTube site. Suppose copy the URL and come here and post here. Okay. Then cover. You can post a cover picture over here. Go to the selected category and put some tag. Publish. Your article is ready. Your photo is here, and you can see the YouTube video here. Let me show. Okay. Then go back to home. delete the post. Okay, you can post YouTube videos. See. I'm going to copy the YouTube address URL from the address bar, and then copy here, paste here on your timeline. See, fetching the site is fetching the URL. You can add. You can delete it and say some word on this Python. Attack. Okay. Okay, then you post. Your post is ready on your timeline. You can watch the video from here without any disturbance. Okay, it's loading and it will play. It's playing, it's working okay. And it's okay, we'll delete it. Then what's else on your timeline? You can create poll, sell something, upload your audio clip on your timeline, and you can sell something over here. You can give your product name, mango, price 120, its category, choose your category, select a status never used, enter a location for your something, suppose there Delhi. Okay, it's Delhi, India. It's description, product description. You put your photo over here, upload any photo. Okay, then publish. It's in the your product will be shown in the marketplace. Its price is here, and here the description will show, and stock available. Anybody can contact with you and place a order. Okay, delete it. Delete the item. Then let's go to pages. Here is a suggested pages. You can like it and have fun out of it. Here is friends. You can chat with them. Those who will be online, you can chat with them. In the chat window, you can post pictures. Here is emojis, this color. Okay. Then it's in the movies sections. You see lots of movies here. Over here, you can watch this devotional song. Somebody posted over here. Devotional video. You can see. It's action section. You can watch any genre of video over here, so without any disturbance on the screen,
Alone in a cave, surrounded by
and without any
weapons.
ad banner.
That is a very poetic way to die.
Ah, there he goes
You
again.
can see over here.
Give it a rest, Shady.